Alright everyone, got my machine on, it's warmed up, it's ready to go. I'm gonna hop in the cab so you guys can see what's going on. This is what it's like. It is 30 degrees out this morning. It's kind of cold, so we're gonna turn on the heater here. Turn on. Turn it up a little bit. I'll try to get what it's like when I'm using this thing. I only have one hand working. Bring out the bucket a little bit there. Open it up, bring it down. Now this is where I'm going to bring it in. Kind of scrape the bottom. Kind of feel the machine vibrating a little bit. And normally I do this in two hands. I'm gonna curl the bucket in. Now you can see that there's mud there. So I'm gonna bring it up. See if we can rotate it here without having to get two hands on it here. Don't want to drag our bucket on the ground. Let's see if I can just do this one-handed up until the point I need to get another hand on it. I should be able to go down. And that is what it's like to run the excavator, everybody.